Over the last week, we've done lots of different things insofar as getting the site prepared and ready. We've installed 2 parts of our water harvesting earthworks features, our swales, which will harvest water passively from the landscape, soaking it into the ground and regenerating the land around us. But part of that work has been also establishing an area for a large organic garden, mixed cropping. There will be tree rows every 10 metres, allowing for us to have diverse protection, diverse yield, and diverse nutrient inputs into the ground. And we'll have lots of different crops. We've brought our swale in quite a unique and interesting way through the site, then underneath the castle wall, right round to the back of the castle that we're currently in. This swale, as it comes around the landscape, has a footpath that goes across it, comes under the wall, and then ends bordering a natural swimming pool. Lots of different beautiful eye-taking features that will show us what is possible to create in this world and what a beautiful thing we can create in our journey of health. Right now I'm stood in front of one of the swales that we've created. This will be covered and planted with trees and different plants, things that cover the ground, things that give us as human beings different yields, different producers, different products, but also things that give nature different yields, producers, products, things that enhance the fertility and the natural world. Today, we're continuing our swales. So we're doing another swale through a sandier area just above from where we are now. And we're also going to be finishing this swale because it comes into contact with some built infrastructure. So we need to continue under the castle wall and over around to behind the back of the castle. So we're currently stood on the main entrance of the castle between 2 gardens and 2 swales. The swale to my right is acting not only as water harvesting infrastructure, but also a drainage and a soakage system for our garden, so that in very dry times, our garden will be hydrated more than it otherwise would be. And in very wet times, we'll be able to release the water through pipes and allow the water to leave our system. It will act as a shelter belt, protecting it with extra trees planted on the swale mound, and also giving a greater diversity of fertility and yield. So over this next week, as we're coming into winter, we're going to get these beds prepared and ready for our next growing season. We're going to put irrigation pipes in the ground. We're going to mound up our beds and get them looking beautiful, get it looking nice and good, ready for use. Then as spring comes, we'll be ready to plant and ready to activate and use this garden in the future.